Macadamia, the ultimate plant-based milk alternative. Are you looking for a delicious and nutritious plant-based milk alternative? Look no further than macadamia milk. Not only is it creamy and flavorful, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the wonders of macadamia and how to excel at incorporating it into your plant-based diet. First and foremost, macadamia milk is a great source of healthy fats. These fats are essential for brain function, hormone production, and overall health. Additionally, macadamia milk is low in calories and carbohydrates, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight or blood sugar levels. To excel at incorporating macadamia into your diet, start by experimenting with different recipes. Macadamia milk works well in smoothies, coffee, and baked goods. You can also use it as a substitute for dairy milk in your favorite recipes. Another way to excel at macadamia is by making your own milk at home. This allows you to control the ingredients and ensure that there are no added sugars or preservatives. Simply blend macadamia nuts with water and strain through a nut milk bag or cheesecloth. Voila! You have fresh, homemade macadamia milk. When purchasing macadamia milk, be sure to read the label and choose a brand that is free from additives and preservatives. Some brands may also fortify their milk with additional vitamins and minerals, making it an even healthier choice. In conclusion, macadamia milk is a delicious and nutritious plant-based milk alternative that offers a range of health benefits. By experimenting with different recipes, making your own milk at home, and choosing a high-quality brand, you can excel at incorporating macadamia into your plant-based diet. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your health and well-being.